Hello guys, welcome back to Unported Legend. Today we're back with another drone video. It is currently October and we're going to do a drone flight. Without further ado, we're going to take off. So let's start the drone.
Take off. Home point updated.
It's a really nice day today in October. We're going to take up. We're going to take off the 360 view of this area. As you can see, it's really nice, this place. What we're going to do, we're going to do a 360 photo once we're at the max height at 400 feet. So as you can see, I'm right over here.
Max altitude
Alright,
reached.
we're going to do a 360 photo. So we're going to stop recording. We're going to go to panorama mode. I'm going to do a sphere photo. Alright, 360 photo is complete. Now I'm going to go into video mode, start recording. We're going to review this area. So as you can see, we're flying. And explore what's down here, explore these roads. Let's go down here and get a cinematic shot. Look at that view. Really nice, the sun's out. Let's check out this area. And now we're going to go north over to here. Looks really nice over here. As you can see, let's descend a little bit. Get a nice orbit shot of this. So I haven't fully charged my drone today. I was charging it and the sun was out and I thought it was cloudy pretty much most of the day, and I thought might as well shoot in the sun before it goes. So let's get a nice view. Let's get a nice shot of here. Look at that shot.
Max altitude reached.
Alright, let's start heading back now. So I'm right over here, as you can see. Let's go east after this. Let's go this way and explore this area. So yeah, looks really nice. Let's get an orbit shot of this. You know what, I'm gonna go over to the middle. And get a nice shot of the middle. So I'm gonna go where this is so I can land the drone perfectly. So I'm walking towards it, as you can see. And we're gonna land, we're gonna stand here and get a good shot. So as you can see, I'm right here. Look at my drone stuff down here, and we're gonna fly from here. We're gonna get a nice shot. So I'm gonna do low down shots now. So once we low down, we're gonna get some low down shots. In sports mode as well. Actually no, we're gonna go in normal mode. Right, we're gonna do this insane. Actually, let's go through this. I can clearly see through that. Let's try and go through these tree lines. I'm gonna go slowly. There's gonna be some nice shot. Just gotta be careful when you go through this. Wow, look at this shot, man. I wanna go through this as well. So let's try and go through it. So I can still see it, so shouldn't lose signal. Wow, look at that shot. That is epic. Well, I'm gonna get more low down shots. Let's come back here. See, like, I'm right over here. Let's just go up now this time. Right, let's go this way and get some low down shots of here. Actually, let's go towards the sun. There's gonna be some epic shot. It's gonna be so cinematic. Oh, look at that! This is insane. This is some epic shot, man. It's like, I'm gonna keep going there. Alright, we're at 25%, so we're gonna head back now, and we're just gonna stay local. See, that was an insane shot. I'm actually glad I got that. We're gonna get low down shots of this area.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Just gonna see what's down there. That's pretty much it. Alright, we're at 90%. We're gonna head back now. Let's see what's down there. Alright, let's just come back. Really nice day and really nice footage as well. I'm gonna land the drone now. We're at 18%. If you try and get a little low down fast shot, let's try and do that. It's gonna be insane. Check this out. Look how fast we're gonna go here. And I know I'm low, but I'm gonna quickly get this shot. Oh, that is insane. Alright, that was nothing special, but we're gonna land before the drone carries on beeping. We're gonna land the drone here.
Landing.
Alright, that was a really nice flight. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.